Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit, and I hope your FCAT examination preparation would have been going on very well. And I have been getting a lot of questions from FCAT aspirants that, sir, which book we should follow for FCAT examination preparation which covers whole syllabus. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing absolutely clear, that there is no any book available in the market which covers whole syllabus, because there is no limit of vocabulary in English, like synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, one word substitution and spelling correction. Okay, these are such topics which cannot be covered by a single book, and if you try to cover all the things, so only on these 3-4 topics there will be a separate book. Okay, and there is some part of general knowledge and current affairs also which cannot be covered by every book, right? Like current affairs keeps on changing day by day, so any book cannot cover all the current affair questions. So this is very clear that there is no any book which covers whole syllabus. And I have seen that some coachings are suggesting candidates to follow RS Agrawal for reasoning and mathematics. So ladies and gentlemen, again I want to tell you one thing, that the level of RS Agrawal is very high, the level of FCAT examination. Okay, FCAT doesn't ask you questions of the level of RS Agrawal questions, and if you go for RS Agrawal it will take huge time, right? Because in this book things are given in very detail and you don't need to go in that much deep for clearing FCAT examination. So if you are following RS Agrawal for mathematics and reasoning, so you are unnecessarily wasting your time. And before choosing any book, you should go through the whole syllabus of FCAT examination, then decide which book should be purchased. If I tell you as per my own experience, so I will suggest you to follow Arihant's FCAT book, and there is another book which is Lucent's book, but I have never gone to Lucent's book. All the times I followed Arihant's FCAT book. Okay, I gave my every attempt of FCAT by reading this book, which is Arihant's FCAT book. I am not promoting this book, I am just giving you advice, and my best score was 248 marks out of 300. Okay, I didn't go for any special book, right? This book is very good book, and this is FCAT examination oriented. The level of questions is of the FCAT examination level. Okay, questions will not come of higher level than this book. And for mathematics and reasoning, you don't need to go for any book, you should go to Arihant's FCAT book. In this book, concept of all the topics which are in the syllabus of FCAT examination are explained in a very simple language and very nicely. You will get to know, you will understand the concept very easily, and once you solve all the questions by using pen and paper, not only by reading, then you will be able to solve all the questions in FCAT examination from reasoning and mathematics portion. Okay, now if we come to English part, and if you go for grammar and you choose any other book and go in deep, so again you will be wasting your time in reading grammar in depth. Okay, you don't need to go in depth in FCAT examination. Direct questions are asked on the basis of concepts. Okay, so in this book which I am talking about, Arihant's FCAT book, grammar is also given in the very simple way and which is FCAT oriented, and you will get to know very easily if you go through the grammar of this book, and it is in brief and in a simple way, right? So it will be helpful in covering the whole syllabus also. And if we talk about GK portion, so GK portion is also given in brief and in a simple way, but there is little part like current affairs and some other parts of GK and other parts of English which I have already covered earlier, like synonyms and antonyms, one word substitution, spelling correction, and idioms and phrases. So for covering them there are many sources, like we cover most important current affairs and GK questions, and we are going to cover most important English vocabulary also in upcoming videos. And there are some other sources also, like for current affairs there are various magazines available in the market, you can follow newspaper and news channels also, and there are various channels available on internet which provide vocabulary, which provides preparation for SSC, CGL, etc. So you can follow them. So by following this way you can cover your syllabus. And again I am telling you, Arihant's FCAT book is the best for FCAT examination. You can purchase it from market and you can order it online also. For ordering online, link is given below in the description box. Okay, please purchase latest version of this book, because in latest version, latest previous years questions solutions are available. Apart from it, if you have any question to ask, any doubt to ask, so please write down in the comment box below. I will definitely solve your query. Okay, this was the question which was being asked in very high amount, that sir, which book we should follow which covers whole syllabus. Okay, so I think you have got the point, which book you should follow and what should be the strategy for performing well in FCAT examination, that how to prepare, what to study, where to study, what should be your timetable, right? I will make a separate video on it very soon, so please stay connected and keep on watching. And for preparing FCAT examination and SSB interview, don't forget to click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can get all upcoming most important videos related to your FCAT examination and SSB interview, so you can perform very well in FCAT and SSB interview. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye for now.